Morning. Today we're going to be making a candy centerpiece from centerpiecestogo.com. What you will need to make a centerpiece are a few simple tools. One, a Phillips head screwdriver, or a dull pointed pencil. Not sharp, but dull pointed. You will need that to make some holes, starter holes, in your styrofoam, which you're going to find later. You will also need a glue gun, a hot glue gun, and some Scotch tape. Okay, so let's get started. Your kit will come with a centerpiece. Your centerpiece kit will come with a foam disc like this, painted already and glittered to the color of your choice. In this case today we're going to be making a Hershey's Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. So when it's finished and it's shipped to you, it will ship to you like this with the color on there. And you will have to take some ribbon and wrap it around the edge. Glue it one point, wrap it around the edge, glue it on another point. So that what you get is this. Then you take your second layer of ribbon, which will be pre-cut for you. You wrap it around the disc, put a little bead of glue right there to hold it in place. Hold it for a second till it takes. Wrap it around, set it down, and give the second bead of glue down there so that it holds. Then what you're going to do, for now, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a piece of Scotch tape to hold this in place. You can do this, but I recommend the hot glue. So here we go, here, just about done. We put the second piece of tape on here, and that's how the base is going to be. Then you're going to take your tube, which is a clear plastic tube, and you're going to take your pre-cut ribbon. In this case, again, it's a Hershey's Reese's Peanut Butter Cup centerpiece, and you're going to Scotch tape, little piece of Scotch tape right there on the tube. Give it a little spiral design going down like this, and then give it another little piece of tape right there to secure it in place. Now what you're going to do is you're going to insert this into the foam. Let me move this so you get a better picture there. Insert this into the foam. Now when you insert this, you don't want to go all the way through the foam and poke a hole at the bottom. You want to kind of twist it and give it a little bit of a twist and go in maybe about not even halfway, almost halfway through. Then, let me pull this back out, and I got a starter hole here. But let me pull this back out and put this here. And then, the reason I did that is because I have a little pre-notched holes right here to hold the sign. Okay? So what you're going to have is that gets inserted in there. Same thing. Now what you're going to do, once this is inserted into here, you'll notice at the top, this tube will come with a little slices at the top. That's the one end where you're going to put the sign, which is going to hold the centerpiece. That's right here. And what we're going to do is peel back this little bit of plastic to insert the sign like that. Be careful, you want to peel that back a little bit, but you don't want to rip the paper sign. Now, and push it down a little bit so it's nice and secure. If you feel the need to, you can glue it, little beads of glue right there at the corner, right there at the corner. Okay, then we take our balloon, Hershey's Kiss balloon in this case, and this centerpiece comes like that. Then we have a little sign, goes along with it too, smaller little sign like this, just like that. Now you'll also come with some pre-cut Mylar paper. Now this is where you're going to need your Phillips head screwdriver again, or your pencil. What we do here is you can take a little insertion point there, just make a little starter hole. Take your screwdriver, put it halfway, right in the middle there, just kind of fold it down so you got this kind of a look, and poke. Now you can do this about 10-12 times. It'll come with enough puffs to finish off this centerpiece. Arrange these so that you think they look best. You might want to turn the centerpiece as you go. What you do here is it just kind of hides, you know, you don't need to go in a little bit, but it just kind of hides the mechanics, the sticks, if you will, that hold up this. And we go around like this, Around like this. I like a little bit of the glitter to show. That's just my preference. You could do what you want. See, I only got a couple of puffs in here. You don't necessarily have to overload it, but you'll come with enough of them to make each centerpiece. Now, if you choose another centerpiece, another candy design, which we have more on the website, centerpiecesToGo.com, you can have Hershey bars, you can have Almond Joy, lots of different choices there, and they will come color coordinated to the color of the candy bar. So in a case like a Hershey's bar, it'll be brown and white paper, brown and white designs. That's the way that'll come. Anyway, thank you for visiting CenterpiecesToGo.com.